Welcome to day 17 of our 28-day challenge for shifting states and Tai Chi flows. Today we are going to do a standing meditation called standing like a tree or hugging a tree, because that's what it looks like. It looks like you're hugging a tree. First, let's review. Let's open. Inhale. Tai Chi ready position. Sink. Palm to palm, fingertip to fingertip. And it's like you're holding a bowl or you're holding a ball. Fingertips are open. Curved. Everything is curved. The arms are not straight, they're curved. Shoulders down, elbows down. Relax, relax, relax. There is a circle here as well. And you can bring that in a little bit if you want to give yourself a little bit more comfort, reduce stress, or you can make it a fuller circle. Make sure the shoulders are down. Make sure the tailbone is down. Just relax, like you are sitting on a tall chair. Knees are softly bent, sinking into this structure. Relaxed. Mind is focused. Relax. Relax, relax. The mind is relaxed and focused. Relax the body from head to toe. Ah. Sigh of relief, making a ha sound, softer. Nice. From the inside out, adjust your position. Do a body scan from head to toe. Concentrate on the places you can expect tension and feel tension, such as your shoulders and your neck, your back, your hips, your chest, your core. You can wiggle your fingers. You can adjust your hands and your shoulders. You can adjust. You can even move your feet. You're not rooted in one place. Relax, relax, relax. This is a mind-body exercise. The resilience is in the body and in the mind. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe. Smile. Positive emotional content. Close your eyes, relax from head to toe. Relax more and more and more, allowing your structure to support you. Breathe. Enjoy your breathing. Close your eyes and relax more. Enjoy the stillness. Quality over quantity. Drop your arms. Close. Inhale. Exhale. Relax from head to toe. If because of your shoulders you can't gather up this way, inhale and exhale. You can go out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. See you tomorrow.